Alright, good afternoon and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to remove background image. I'm going to show you about 7 different ways you can remove background image. By the way, my name is Raphael from sparedigitals.com. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to come to this very website, Removebg. It's a very nice place you can actually remove your background image. All you need to do is to just open up the file you want to remove. Let me open mine. Just pick the file, pick and drop it here. Perfect. This is the image we just dropped now. All you need to do is just to click on download now. And this is the second one, slaza.com. The same way I just did the other one. That's how you're going to just pick your image. Please, if this is the first time you're coming across to my channel, please kindly do me a favor by subscribing. Click on that red notification button and the icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you can actually get the notification. Perfect. This is the image we just downloaded. I won't be downloading this one. I don't want the tutorial to be that long. So the next site you visit is Removebg.ai. All you need to just pick your image, and drop it here. Let's pick it again, pick and drop. Perfect. You can see how beautiful they are whenever you remove the image. Okay, then the next time we're going to visit is Retoucher.online. The same way, pick your image and drop it here. Perfect. You can see This one has given us different background that we can actually use. Perfect. So let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one we'll visit is experts.com. So let's open up our image. Pick and drop. Perfect. Just that this one is a bit not as professional as the ones we've used behind. So let's continue. The next one we'll go to is Canva.com. Canva is one of the best. To me, this is one of the best way you can actually not just background image removal, a lot of things you can actually do on Canva. Maybe in my next tutorial I'll be creating other things you can actually do with Canva, but in this very one we're going to learn how to remove a background image from Canva. Okay, I've already placed the image here. So the next thing you do is to click on this edit image. Then click on this background remover. Perfect. So this is the email we just dropped. We've been able to remove it using Canva. But the one thing with Canva is that you can actually remove your background image without using the paid account. So all you need to do, I'll be dropping a link here, so you can try that. This thing, they'll allow you access to use their premium template or whatever for free for 30 good days, 30 whole days. So I'll be dropping a link in the description below. Just use the link and click and sign up for free. Then we'll give it a test and see how beautiful and easy it is to do a lot of things. If you are the type that don't know how to design, Canva is the best place for you to start learning how to design. And I promise in this channel I'll be uploading different ways you can actually, different things you can actually do with Canva. So please, once again, if this is your first time coming across my channel, I highly appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, because it's going to help me in the YouTube algorithm. So God bless you as you do so. Thank you very much.